not my world yet, but maybe it could get closer, closer. They talk startups, I don't know, pitches, ventures, fancy show. I fix boats down at the dock, guide the tours around the block. Coffee serving downtown streets, never code and never tweets. They say come, but that's not me, I don't speak technology.
Maybe they need someone real, who knows how people feel. 20 seasons I've been here, I know what they need to hear. Don't need degrees in what they know, just need problems I can show. They got computers, I got truth. Years of wisdom from the booth. Every team needs someone grounded, who knows where the problem's founded. Share what I know, share what I see. Maybe they need someone like me.
Watch the tourists struggle here, same questions every year. Know the potholes, know the pain, real experience, not from brain. Fishermen and servers too, we all have a different view. They keep saying there's a seat for the people on the street.
Don't need degrees in what they know, just need problems I can show. They got computers, I got truth. Years of wisdom from the booth. Every team needs someone grounded, who knows where the problem's founded. Share what I know, share what I see. Maybe they need someone like me.
Best ideas come from the edge, people on a different ledge.
My neighbor codes, I bring the real. Together we can make the deal.
Don't need to speak their language right, got experience burning bright. Bring my stories, bring my scars. Raise the bar, raise the bar.
Friday night I'll show up real, share the truth of what I feel. Not my world, but it could be. They need someone just like me.